If you were hoping for a drop in car insurance costs in 2024, you might be disappointed. According to Bank Rates Analysis, auto insurance costs are expected to keep rising. However, insurance costs vary by vehicle, and some cars are much cheaper to insure than others. If you're considering buying a new vehicle, choosing a model with low insurance rates could be a smart move. We've listed the 10 most affordable cars to insure. Subaru Outback. Average annual premium $1,603. The Subaru Outback stands for its rugged build and exceptional off-road performance, making it a popular choice among adventure seekers. It features a spacious interior, cutting-edge safety technologies such as eyesight driver assist, and is renowned for its reliability. Lower insurance premiums for the Outback are largely due to its solid safety track record and cost-effective repairs. Honda CR-V, average annual premium $1,635. In the compact SUV category, the Honda CR-V excels with its combination of comfort, fuel efficiency, and practicality. It offers a turbocharged engine, a generous interior space, and an array of standard safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. The CR-V's popularity and reduced insurance costs are attributed to its impressive safety ratings and lower rates of theft. Honda Pilot, average annual premium $1,726. The Honda Pilot is a mid-size SUV designed for families, providing 3 rows of seating and a robust V6 engine. It includes a range of advanced safety technologies such as collision mitigation braking and road departure mitigation. The Pilot's insurance premiums remain low thanks to its comprehensive safety features and strong reputation for reliability. Ford Escape, average annual premium $1,734. The Ford Escape, a versatile compact SUV, is celebrated for its comfortable ride and a variety of efficient engine choices. It comes equipped with Ford's Co-Pilot 360 safety suite, which includes features like blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking. The Escape's insurance costs are kept in check due to its commendable safety performance and affordable repair expenses. Honda Odyssey, average annual premium $1,735. For minivan enthusiasts, the Honda Odyssey is a top contender, offering a spacious interior packed with family-oriented features and a smooth driving experience. It comes with the Honda Sensing Suite of safety technologies and unique features like Magic Slide seats for easier access. The Odyssey's low insurance rates are a result of its high safety ratings and family-friendly design. Ford F-150, average annual premium $1,753. The Ford F-150, a full-size pickup truck, is renowned for its robustness, impressive towing capacity, and adaptability. It provides a selection of powerful engines, including a hybrid variant and advanced safety features such as pre-collision assist and adaptive cruise control. The F-150's insurance costs are relatively low, attributed to its strong safety features and the widespread availability of replacement parts. Nissan Rogue, average annual premium $1,880. The Nissan Rogue is a compact SUV known for its comfortable cabin, advanced safety technologies, and efficient performance. It comes with Nissan's Safety Shield 360, which features automatic emergency braking and blind spot warning. The Rogue's insurance premiums are kept low due to its strong safety features and relatively inexpensive repair costs. These vehicles aren't only affordable to insure, but also offer a range of features that make them practical and reliable choices. Join our vibrant community and be in the know by subscribing to our channel for the latest news and captivating content. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay tuned to all the excitement unfolding. Don't miss out on becoming a part of our ever-growing family of informed and engaged.